What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I just got back from helping out a friend. Unfortunately, her tire caught a nail in her BMW that she just got about a month ago. Nonetheless, here we are. We're gonna work on the car today. It's roughly around like 12 in the afternoon. I also stopped by Home Depot to get some tools necessary to get a few of these out. Yeah, I'll show you guys further in detail once we get working in the car. Today we're gonna be installing the turbos, new oil lines, and we're also gonna be replacing the oil pan gasket. Fortunately, they tend to leak, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. And yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so here they are, the parts that we're going to be installing today. Right there and right there. In here it's the turbos. If you didn't know, unfortunately when my engine went, so did my turbos. Actually not both of them, only one of them. The rear turbo is the one that blew, and I'm going to go ahead and insert a picture of that turbo, or a couple of pictures, so you can get the idea of what happened to it right in the video. It's cringe just looking at those pictures and just seeing how bad that turbo blew up. Nonetheless, I was very fortunate enough to have bought Pure Turbos because they have great customer service. Honestly, like no hassle at all whatsoever. I emailed them and they responded pretty fast, if you ask me. And they actually warranted the turbos. It was hassle free, nothing to worry about. They're like, yeah, just send them in, we'll warranty them. And yeah, I would definitely recommend those turbos if you're thinking about, you know, upgrading your turbos for your 335i N54 engine. So check them out for sure. All right. So here it is, guys. This is everything that we're going to be installing in that motor right there, all along that side, all in there. So right here we have the oil pan gasket. We have a little bit of coolant and oil. We have oil lines, coolant lines. Right there is the oil pan gasket bolts. These bolts all go on the coolant and the oil drain lines, and then these bolts go on the exhaust manifold right there. I have to take off those bolts right there. And here are the babies. Ooh. Heat shield, outlets, inlets, and the intakes right there. That's all that we're going to be working on, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I took the cover off to inspect the engine, just, you know, precaution. Make sure nothing's in there. Gonna go ahead and spin it too, just to make sure everything's good. If you've never seen inside an engine, check it out. Those are the pistons right in there with the rods. That right there is the crankshaft. That's where the bearings are that my motor spun. But yeah, just progress so far. Progress. Alright guys, we just got done doing the oil pan gasket. It's a bit of a tedious process because there's a lot of bolts. Not only there's a lot of bolts, but you gotta torque them down to 6 foot-pounds or 8 Newton meters, and then you have to rotate them. That's why I marked them. The small ones 90 degrees, and then the big ones 180 degrees. So yeah, I also went ahead and cleaned the oil pan, make sure everything was good inside the engine, you know, inspected it really well. Yeah, and here we are. Now it's the fun part. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the turbos. Woo! Exciting, so excited. Yeah, stay tuned, keep watching. So I almost just threw away this engine too. I'm gonna insert a picture of what happened. It's pretty bad. I got really lucky that I was able to do what I did. But so basically I was trying to take these out with these nuts right here, and I was just about to take one out when it just fell and it went right in there. Terrible, man. That was, my heart stopped. I was like, no, why? But I got it out. I don't know how, because I could not see the nut. The picture I'm about to show you is not where the nut was. Like, I could not see the nut at all whatsoever. So, whew, gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Alright guys, so it is currently 9 o'clock, and I'm tired. It's been a long day. It's been a long day, and it was really hot today too as well. But we got the turbos installed nonetheless, so that's good. That's good. These bolts right here gave me a hard time. Not these literally, but the ones that hold these. It took me some time to not to mention I had to run to 2 different Home Depots because the way I was doing it, which I showed you guys earlier, those nuts actually stripped on me on a couple of them, so I had to run to Home Depot. That was like 2 hours because of traffic. It was like during rush hour, but either way, here we are. The turbos are on. All this is torqued. All the oil lines are good. All of this is good. And as you can see, I got some lighting strips around the engine. That's because I ran out of light. This strip usually goes around my garage right there, but I pulled it and I made it lit. What can I say? I'm a certified Mexican. Yeah, I'm probably gonna continue this vlog onto the morning. That's when I'm gonna put on the intake. I'm gonna put on the water pump, and I'm just gonna double check everything with natural lighting and things like that. That way, make sure everything's good. But yeah, check it out. This is the progress so far. Coolant pipe is on. This goes into the water pump. Turbos are good. Gucci. Yeah, see you guys in the morning. Oh, by the way, check out my shirt. I Heart Boost. I felt it was right for the occasion since I was putting on my babies right there. Yeah, give them some love. And we're back, guys. So I wasn't able to get started in the morning on the engine because I had some other stuff I had to do, but here we are. Took her out just so you guys can see everything with some natural lighting. All the oil lines right here, oil, coolant, everything's good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and try to put the intakes in. And I'm also going to put the heat shield, and we'll see if we can fit the water pump in there too. It goes located right here. And we're done. It's a long day, but still wrenched a little bit. So here we have the intakes right there, 1, 2, and here we got the outlets that goes to the intercooler. And right there we have, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but we have the water pump, as well as the boost solenoids that you see right here, 1, 2, with the vacuum lines. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Let me know what type of content you'd like to see in the future, and like and subscribe. Share with your friends if you liked it. Thanks for joining your Certified Mexican. Have a good day.